channel, and now you are watching a video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location is that nearby attractions and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is fine and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Facilities and offers are available online for this property, along with various payment plans and payment policies. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again with a new property. Be safe, be happy.